We'll guide you through how to create stickers using Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu and click on Create a New Product. On the product catalog page, scroll down until you find the stickers category and click on it. You'll see various sticker options like die cut and kiss cut stickers. Select the style you want to create. Now you'll be taken to the design editor where you can upload your custom design. Click on the Add Your Design button and choose the image file from your computer. Make sure your design meets the recommended resolution for the best print quality. Use the editing tools provided to adjust the size, rotate, or position your design on the sticker template. Keep an eye on the preview to see how your sticker will look once printed. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Save Product to store it in your Printify account. Next, you need to set up your sticker for sale. Go to the My Product section in your account dashboard and find your newly created sticker. Click on it to open the product details page where you can set the retail price and write a product description. Make sure your description is engaging and includes keywords that might help with search engine optimization. When everything looks good, click Publish to add your sticker to your connected online store, whether it's Shopify, Etsy, or another platform. Now your sticker is ready for customers to purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.